Hello, viewers. Welcome back to another amazing and beautiful Christmas craft, actually, jute craft. So, here is my welcome to today creative journey. Craft is more than just making beautiful object, it's a way of recycling expression, expressing creativity, and adding mindful peace to our daily lives. In the session, we will explore jute and craft. As you know, upcoming Christmas event and your home. So we will decide to decor your beautiful home and transform into a Christmas house. So I hope you like the video. If you like, so please must watch till the end, and special thanks to you for support my channel. I really appreciate and thankful to you. So viewers, you need some crafting for jute and burlap craft. Let's begin with jute and burlap craft. Jute is a natural fiber, eco-friendly and strong. Burlap made from jute is often used a bag, cones, packing, and crafter have given it a new life. With the little creativity, burlap can turn into the beautiful rustic ornaments. In this video, we will share with you some jute on making trees. The benefit of jute craft is not just a rustic charm, it's sustainable and biodegradable. Every piece you make with jute reduce plastic waste and connect you with nature's simplicity. Jute craft also inspire us to value handmade items over machine-made plastic decoration, reminding us that the beauty can come from humble materials. So decorate it golden fabric and red fabric. Golden cloth with the rich texture and shimmering look is perfect for luxury decoration, gift wrapping, wall hanging, making tree, topping with balls, and making a beautiful tree and topping small lights. So it's make a long lasting item and transform simple space into radiant fun. Rustic jute macrame hanging for a natural look. Recycled materials hanging like bottle caps and cloth piece for eco-friendly art. Creativity at low cost. You don't need expensive material. Sustainability by recycling. You reduce waste. Personal expression. Every piece tell us the behind the story. Most benefit of crafting minutes. You can mentally relax. Crafting work like medicine. Reduce stress. Skill build. Every project teach you are new techniques. Recycling and saving money. All things get new life. Eco-friendly living. Handmade craft. Reduce plastic and waste. Community connection. Craft can be shared as a gift for taught to others. Economic benefits: many people sell handmade craft and create small business, and it's very successful. So crafting is not just art, it's healing, learning, saving, and earning. We hope you like the video, so please must subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and thanks for support my channel, support me. Love you all.